Boosting a post on Facebook is one of the most effective ways to increase its reach and engagement, and this comprehensive guide takes you through every step of the process to ensure you make the most of this feature. The tutorial begins by explaining how to access the Facebook page as an admin and locate the specific post you want to boost before clicking the Boost Post button. Once inside the boosting interface, you'll learn about customization options, including whether to keep the original content or add new text and media. A key feature discussed is Facebook's Advantage Plus Creative, an AI-powered tool that automatically optimizes ad creative by generating variations for different audience segments, which can improve performance without manual effort, though some advertisers prefer full control and turn this feature off. Another important element covered is the special ad category setting, which is mandatory for regulated content related to housing, employment, or politics. Failing to select this correctly can result in ad disapproval, making compliance essential. Audience targeting takes center stage as the video emphasizes its critical role in the success of a boosted post. You'll learn how to use location-based targeting with adjustable radius pins, a powerful feature for local businesses aiming to reach nearby customers. Combined with demographic filters like age and gender and detailed interest-based targeting, this approach ensures your budget focuses on the most relevant viewers. The video also explores the option of targeting followers or creating lookalike audiences for broader yet relevant exposure. Budgeting and scheduling are thoroughly explained, with a recommendation to set a minimum daily budget of $5 to achieve meaningful reach and engagement. The tutorial highlights the real-time estimated reach tool that shows how far your budget can go, enabling you to make informed decisions about spending. Placement options across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network are also addressed, giving you flexibility to maximize visibility while advising you to test placements for cost efficiency and engagement rates, as some platforms perform better than others depending on your goals. The importance of advanced tools like Facebook Pixel is briefly mentioned, as it enables precise tracking and optimization for those running multiple campaigns or retargeting efforts. After setting your budget, audience, and placements, you'll learn how to add a payment method and publish the boosted post seamlessly. The video doesn't stop there. It stresses the importance of performance monitoring after publishing. Within Facebook's interface, you can track metrics like reach, engagement, and cost per result, allowing you to optimize campaigns over time by tweaking audiences, adjusting budgets, or refining creatives. This process ensures your boosted posts deliver maximum return on investment rather than becoming a one-time effort. Beyond the technical steps, the tutorial provides valuable insights, such as why audience targeting is the most crucial factor for ad success, how Advantage Plus Creative offers automation for improved performance, why compliance with special ad category rules matters for regulated industries, and how smart budgeting aligned with reach estimates can make or break your campaign. It also underscores the flexibility and power of location targeting for businesses operating in specific service areas, helping minimize wasted impressions outside your market. Additionally, the discussion on placements highlights that not all networks perform equally, making experimentation and data-driven decisions key to cost-effective advertising. Finally, the emphasis on continuous performance monitoring reinforces the need for an iterative approach to boosting posts, where adjustments based on analytics lead to better outcomes over time. In essence, this tutorial equips you with everything you need to know about boosting Facebook posts effectively, covering the setup process, creative optimization, compliance requirements, targeting strategies, budgeting tips, placement decisions, and post-launch performance tracking. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an influencer looking to amplify your content, following these detailed steps and best practices will help you leverage Facebook's paid promotion tools to achieve greater visibility, engagement, and overall campaign success.